So over here in the capture window in the image section, you can see that there are three options like preview in editor, copy in clipboard, and capture cursor. So we are going to see these three options right here. If I were to enable the preview in editor, what happens is that immediately after I capture something, the editor opens up to show a preview of the screenshot for me. If I were to turn this off, then the editor simply does not open up, but it is still there in the editor itself. It just it just does not open up immediately. Then you have copy to clipboard settings right here. So you can capture something out, you can copy this out, and what happens is that now everything has been copied out onto your clipboard. So if you were to go over here, press Ctrl V, you can see that it has been copied out from the clipboard on over here onto Microsoft Word, just like that. So it directly copies it out onto the clipboard so that you can paste it in other applications. Then the third option you have is capture cursor. So you can turn this on right over here to capture the cursor as well. So just like this, let's say I want to capture the cursor right here. You can see that the cursor is here. So you can delay this out as well to increase the effect. So let me just go around into 2 seconds, and I'm going to keep my cursor here just like this. And now you can see that the cursor freezes. So I can simply click and drag it out. And then on the editor, you see the cursor is there as well. And I'm free to move out the cursor and resize the cursor as well, as you can see right here. So that is an extra feature you have right there if you want to point something out just like that in Snagit. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.